I'm gonna be sitting in this one, guys. Thank you. I had 3 different clowns on me today, but the hat is gone.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Alright, you go ahead, get in, I'll follow you in. Awesome, sorry, gotta reach down here.
Alright, do your thing, buckle in. Nice. All strapped up, ready to go.
Up. Oh my goodness, that was a lot of fun. Definitely an experience for the books, and you know, just to even go through with that tandem and the whole entire swinging in the pit, it was a little scary, but I was like, dude, I had to relax. So
Paramax, we're just getting ready to go. guardrail. So something let loose on that car. He did the right thing, pulled to the guardrail, came to a stop. We have the first one looked more like an egg. They were more rounded, didn't have the glass back section on the hatch. So he's looking for a better reaction time to get and at 696, 100 miles an hour. All right, two Teslas getting ready to go. It's an old General Motors plant that was also an old Toyota plant that was also a, never mind. It was an old automotive plant. Toyota and GM both abandoned it. Tesla picked it up. Right lane. 415 reaction to 559. Right lane just scoots down there from 628 to a 791. Happens. Honda getting the win with 735 to an 852. 19 vintage, possibly even 66. Also with Shelby taillights put on the back. Now the 64, 65, 6 did not get Shelby lights. The 67 and 8.
Going in full description.
Yeah, right. Like those green with two Mustangs. Release to the public beginning of April 1964. Right lane goes 949 to a 936. Horse pressure gets there first, goes 776 to a 974. Line is Mustang, come on back to the starting line.
Damn.
Join us at the starting line. Come on back.
Straight up trolling the Mustang. Well, you guys heard in the earlier video, or the other video, Manhattan Beach Cars and Coffee, I did say that Mustangs are slow, so we'll see exactly what's slow, either the driver or the car.
Backing the Mustang up to the starting line. Once they make the moving action. 5 seconds from that. And the finish line 761, 94 miles an hour.
That was actually an EcoBoost. 360 EcoBoost right there.
Do you hear the engine?
This is a Tesla pickup truck. Oh my goodness.
You knew you're hearing things. It's electric. They've converted that pickup truck to an electric. Left lane at supercharged, heavy-powered Challenger. Challenger goes away at the end of this year. No longer will there be supercharged Challengers. Fiat and their engine decided not to make them anymore.
The electric truck.
Pickup truck's got to back it up.
Did he just say Fiat?
Not the rear. But this pickup truck's been converted to electric. I think it looks better than the proposed pictures of the Tesla pickup truck. Goes to the finish lines from 725 to 769. All right, attention, all bracket cars. Lead you back to lane. Left lane making a lot of noise. Right lane, you gotta wait for your competition to come up. Got two Honda hatchbacks getting ready to go. Driving the blue car, getting some expert instructions from his crew. Corporate crewman. Gotcha. Right by him, 624 to a 691. Right lane. Master style. Straight axle.
I've got